Hey guys, so we're coming back today for a special video about pickleball on the high seas. What's it like? Is it any fun? Is it even worth trying? Well, we've got a video today because earlier I was out on the sports deck here on Holland, New Amsterdam, and played pickleball along with the 12 to 15 other folks that were cycling in and out. So what's pickleball on the high seas all about? Well, there's that old saying that says something about the size of the ship and the motion of the ocean. Well, on a smaller ship like this, you feel the motion of the ocean for sure. So not only are you up on one of the upper decks dealing with 20 plus knot winds, but you also have the deck underneath you moving side to side and up and down. So it makes for a very challenging game and a lot of difficulty keeping your shots in and putting them where you want them. So, if you ever wondered what it was like, then watch this video. So I hope you enjoyed that and saw some funny moments like I did. I know I had a lot of fun playing. There was a lot of frustration as well because you're not going to be the kind of player on a ship that you are on land. But it provided an hour or so of fun and activity, and overall, if you got the pickleball bug like Laurie and I do, it'll be worth it. Unfortunately, Laurie is nursing some knee pain right now, so she didn't join in today. Hopefully she'll get to join in later in the week. If you guys have enjoyed this, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Make sure that you hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single new video that we put out. And until next time, from Peaks to Ties, we'll see you on the next ride. Bye, guys.